Hi teachers, in the next 90 seconds, I will show you how to set levels, pick a vocal sound, and save it as a preset so every recording starts strong. Step 1, calibrate the mic. Add a new track, choose vocal mic, then click calibrate. Click start, then have students begin speaking into the mic until the meter adjusts and the calibration completes. Then click done. Step 2, pick a vocal preset. Open the preset drop-down on the track. Try categories like voice clean, distorted, or experimental. Click play on each to preview.
Finally, I've gotten close to you. Finally, I've gotten close to you. Finally, I've gotten close to you.
When you like one, click it to apply. Step 3, tweak the effects. Open the effects panel. This is the effects chain that the preset loaded. Toggle the big FX button to hear before and after. Turn individual effects on or off with their power buttons. Adjust simple controls first, like EQ and compressor. If needed, click Add Effect to include extras. Step 4. Save your custom preset. Back in the Audio tab, click Save Preset. Give it a clear name like Grade 7 Quiet Room, then save. Step 5. Reuse it in any project. Next time you add a vocal mic track, open the drop-down, choose My Presets, and select your saved preset. Instant, consistent sound for every student. That's it. Calibrate, choose, tweak, save, reuse. Your class will sound polished and confident.